فقراتن تغاتلت مدبنا كما يكنيخم لو معلتي مس فري غوالي كوينا بزعبا زوريدو زلو كبيد حمام دعبا كورونا فيروس قال نجر كنزارب مسينا لنا نز مدب زي بانجليزي بتغرينيان كنغبرو دما مديبه مخنياتو توم تغرينيا دي سمعو دقناون كحجز مأتهان بمبالي.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today. We hope that you are all doing well. Corona is affecting all of us worldwide, and because we're at home and we're with our parents a lot more than we probably usually are, we wanted to go ahead and do this in both English and Tigrinya so that everyone can gain something from what we're going to say.
بزعبا زي حمام زي قدم مزرابنا حنتي زقاطمتنا تاريخ كنغركم دس يبلني فري قال 3 عامت كلا ناتنائيل بده حد عامت كله حد غزي حد حزن نيرو اب هيوستن نابز حزن زي زمص زنبره حد حاو كاب ايربورت قبلو نيروني بعلت بيت هيدما نابت حزن كتكيد نيروا اب تزغدنا له غزي لك ايربورت مس بصحنا برتع ماي مص سلازلو نتي ايربورت بونو حصيوم.
Before we talk about Corona, we want to tell you about a quick little story. There was a Hazan in Houston, and Dad had to pick someone up from the airport. Mom had to stay at Hazan, so he took me and Nati with him. I was 3 and Nati was 1. As soon as we got to the airport, it started to rain really heavy, and then they shut everything down and told everybody that they need to go home because it's going to start flooding.
كابت ايربورت روحو كيكدنا منالبات 3 دقيقة زويرة خون كلها ننتر ماكاين تعصي مناتو تماي بحنساب برتع سلازوقعه اب تقانا قرب انت خيدنا ابو زلو ماكاين كحصبا جميرن يوسدن جميل سلازي نعو سلتعقته اباط طويلنا.
After we left the airport, Dad says that he didn't even drive for too much longer, just a few minutes, and we had to stop because the cars in front of us were stuck. The water was getting so deep that they were not only stuck in place, but they were starting to move with the water.
اندار اخوا يحرق له ساعات 18 ويلر كمان تعباي ماكينه تماي وسيد واس كتغاچو ري ازي ناخونه خيد كله تاوتا تطويلنا تماي كن تطو مبال ابي نالبات ساعات 5 6 غصناينا ابو نيرنا نخول ملو ليت دما وقع.
The craziest thing is that Dad says he saw an 18-wheeler even just being pushed by the water and ended up crashing into something. This all started around 5 or so p.m., but we were stuck in the car and the water would just not slow down. It just kept rising and rising.
تماي تطو مبال سلازابي نتا ماكينه خمل انا عبي فرحات نيرن قلعو خلتيهم برتع ماي وقعكم الناس انبري يبخيو نيرو تطو زي بالبخات اما خلي زمر لهم عقلهم ناصبو مسكده ليت مسكونه تقانا حنت ريستورانت نير نابتا ريستورانت حدا بيماني حد بصاغامي تسكيمنا ابو خيدنا.
As the water kept rising and rising, he began to worry that our car would be flooded on the inside too as well. He didn't know what to do because Nati and I obviously are kids and we were terrified, crying, and then we'd go to sleep, and he tried singing to us and tried to, comfort us and stuff like that, and it was completely dark. He decided to get out of the car, carry us, and head towards a restaurant that he hoped would be open.
تا ريستورانت تخفيتا نيرا جنا منم بوتا خالق ترف دي بالله تتعاقيقنا إنا أتينا نعيون تسقيطهم يمأتيهم مني أبو كل طول حيزة يوم من الوقت حدا ساعات نقلن تسكي ميهم كون لعلي قند قبل سبيلن كحزوم دخلنا قريلن مسبز حي كم حدشنا ماكينة تمليسنا.
Once we got to the restaurant, because thankfully it was open, they allowed us in, and there was absolutely no room to sit down, no room to stand up. Like, you were pressed next to people that you didn't even know. So he held us for over an hour, 2 of us, because he had nowhere to put us, even on the floor. But eventually it just became too much and we just had to go back to the car.
تي كنملس كلنا من البات انتاي كم زورد كمان زي فلطو صلمات ونتاج مغنياتو تماي كبرتعديو اي برتعنا يفلط انكن العلاء مثل زغونه حيزيم كم بحدشنا ماكينه اتينا دارقا 24 ساعات يخون اب ماكينه مسكل تقلعو كوفيلا مالك.
He didn't know how deep the water was because it was dark. He didn't know if it was just going to continue to rise and it would be too deep for him to walk holding us. He didn't know anything, but he just had to just go. That's all, the only option he had. So he took us to the car, and it was about 24 hours that we were stuck inside the car, just waiting for help.
إزي مزي وريد له حمام كانوا ورادروين خلينا. جنا أنتاي خزارب دلي أنتاي خم حلال في ملأخت دلي بتجزيتي أب هيوستن نبعلو أبزيد وقع دلو أبز عدزي نقاليو كسع موت هبصح ولا قاليو بتعمي برتعمة كرح لي فولا نقالينا حج فريك ترسعو زي تخيل نجر كوينو أبوش تعميك ولا نقال سبب جزا مسبيت لسبوز نبرد ما من الوقت وقع يطرح ماي يزل.
So this is in no way a comparison of the magnitude between the flood that happened just in Houston versus what's going on in our world today. But it's a nice little example to show that everybody was affected differently. So unfortunately that day there were people who lost their lives and were not able to make it back home. There were people like us who were drastically affected. I'm sure Dad was traumatized, and I'm scared of the rain now, and I didn't understand why until they told me the story when I grew older, and everything made sense. And then there are people who were in the comfort of their homes, or were in somewhere, like they were in some sort of enclosed area where they weren't worried about the water. So it was just another day for them.
إزي كورونا زبال حمام كم كال عينة فلو وي فيروس إلو زي كونس نعلم ملو أيرو زلو بإيكونومي ديو بناي بوليتيكا ديو ببزح نجر جنا كابتن ريو زلنا نعلم كجد الزغل نجر حج أبزغنا تاتزي من الوقت بزن ساعات زي قالينا برتوحي مناك خون نخل قبل عليو كاب سرح وزينا خنكون نخل من الوقت إنشورانس ونيبلنا نخون نقالينا دما برتوح دي تتنكفنا خنكون نغينا أتي تنكفنا زلو سيمت أنس ببينو كخون يخيلي أب بعد متيو تنكفكان بروحو كتسمعون وي كل زلك هون كاب جزخان عابي في اللي علوه نمبالينا إذا أبنى تزيد أقرب لكم زلوا.
So like I said, Corona and the little flood that happened in Houston are nowhere near the same, but it affects people differently in the same sort of manner. So, but worldwide, the economy has been affected, politics, healthcare, like every aspect of life that we knew has been changed.
لومي كابل بناخ نقرأكم دلي بحلفي توريكم زلهم محوات لهم بحقي أجهم أزون كحلفيو نمبارك مجمر يعمل أختنا.
First and foremost, what we want to start by saying is that we are so empathetic to everyone who has been affected by Corona. Obviously we all have, but like we said, in different magnitudes, so our hearts go out to you all.
أتي حمام قليل يكونن ويتوريدو دلو معات قليل يكونن. جن حدا نجر برقص فلت. أتي نأمنو أملاح جن لعلزيو. قدامي يفلتوي. كلاي نعود ما زيج أنكو نجر يلبون.
But the encouraging thing amongst all of this is that the God we serve knows everything. This is not a surprise for him. He's not anxious about this or scared like we might be. He has everything under control.
نسو أبونائي كمز أنا نفرق ولا زحليل لا ناتا تصبق زدلي كابين العلي ندك أي تصبق خون نحر حل خوين أنا إزي كاب أملاح استوهبني يابي إجزابير أملاح دا كند من تاي سلدك ويحل سازي إزي إجزابير إزي كمز اللو كل ساك ولا هنتصل خلونا كمز نسو ذرح رحنا زي كونس نسون زيادة زحليلنا كابتن إحنا سلسوات نسأليون العلي نسو زقدس مخانو كنفلت مجمع بتعم أقداسيو.
In times like this, it's easy to think or maybe feel that God is so distant and so far and so just uninvolved almost. But the truth is, just like a father would care for his child, our God cares for us even more than our parents could here on this earth. He can do more for us, and he provides for us and just watches over us more than they physically and humanly can. So even if we're anxious or we're worried or something like that, and worried about our friends, our families, our peers, our church members, whatever the case may be, God hears our prayers and sees our hearts and our worries and our distress. But we should find comfort in knowing the fact that he is always there watching.
ببزح مدايات سبات زعبا قال أملاح يزاربوا له إحنا دما لومي كاب ونجيل يوحنس معرف 10 قدر 33 حد صار قال كان كافلكم دسي بلني يسوع كريستوس أبتدارجا مود أتعب مخارو قرب كله كم زيدو أباي ما أنتي سلام كترخبو إزي نجاركم أب عالم سببا علىكم جناغة أجهم أنا نعلم سعرياي إزي أبي يوحنس معرف 16 أوتر 33 دل تايبل كم بحدش أباي سلام أنتي كترخبو إزي نجاركم سلام زركب أباي سلازي نجركم علىهم أب عالم كلهم سبب علىكم جنا أجهم أنا نعلم سعرياي إزي سببا نابزحة خم خيد مزحف قدوس بقلت يد نجرنا إزي نابزحة خيد كله جنا أجهم أباي مجمريا سلامي هلهم كلا أيدما أنا نعلم سعرياي أنا مساهم الله أنا ما نعلم سعرياي إيش بالقويتا.
We want to share a piece of scripture with you all that has been encouraging us, which is from John 16:33. And Jesus is telling them that I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world. This was said 2,000 years ago, but it still applies to today. Obviously, as time progresses and as we get closer to the second coming, things are going to continue to get harder. But he is telling us to take heart because he conquered the world.
بزعبا خلت أبنات كزارب أبزين أمته عدي بالتعمي برتع مقاتل كزحل كله دما نحق يتزحل نزاع جزانا يتنكفاي زمقات زحلي يتنكفاي برتع مقات كله إزي أي سي ناتناجن انت دقا سوسا خنقبرو دينا عامت ملو سوسا يزخو هو دقاي مووق يزحل اتا جزاقنا أب حدا عين الديجري إنا نقمتها لكعكمو مبرهتي خطأفق خلو نمثالي ناي كل عالم مبرهتي ناي جزاب نايزمو كتمات أفقنا جنريتر زلوغنا أبقزو مبرهت اللو أبتي قبز بلد سألمات كونتات مبرهت انت دعلكها جنريتر انت دعلكها بؤنت بحكي برهان زلوكا عقدهم سلازي دقا سلام تزي كونون يسوع كريستوس تلناسي سلام كله نايخي عالم كله تسألمته كله تسألمات انت هون النخونتات جنريترز هون قويتا انت للناسي برهان أبيوتنا كخوني خل.
Two examples that Dad gave us to help understand the verse that we just read is an AC unit and also a generator. In Houston, where we live, it's extremely hot in the summer, but also gets super cold in the winter. And some days we even get all 4 seasons in 24 hours. So the good thing is that when we're home, we have an AC unit so we can set the temperature to whatever we want. So if we want it to be at 60 degrees, it's going to be at 60 degrees despite whatever is going on outside. It can be pouring, it can be cold, it could be rainy, sunny, whatever the case may be. We are essentially untouched and in this consistent almost temperature. Another example would be a generator. So if there's a power shortage or there's an outage or something like that somewhere, and there's no power in the house, if we have a generator, everything is fine. So despite what's happening to everyone else around us, we know that we're okay and we can continue to live our day-to-day lives because we have a backup source, right? Everything is going to be pretty smooth despite what may be going on the outside. So yeah, we are going to be affected, and yeah, what's going on might change some things, but as long as we hold on to that peace, then everything that's happening outside will continue to happen outside and can continue, but our peace is going to be steady.
بزعبا إزي جيزي كنزارب تدأخوينا سلسة نجار كانت حلالف دسيبلني حانتي بمجمرتا متناقن متنقاقن دلو فللي كنت انقا ميتي كنت انقا قالونا تزبلونا زلو نجار كنقبر قبوئي اتي متنقاقن أبقل نجار بوتها مسبتسحي متنا عند حريس عبالنا انت الآن عنا دقز عنا خوين انت الآن مسيو زفرحنا نجارات ناخونا خيدو كاب امنت نحر دوص عنا ازي تخونا خي كم ازي تخون كوخي ازي متنا ግን ኃጢአት አይ ትጨነቁ ይድብል ቃል አምላኽ ምክንያቱ ጽባሕ እንታይ ከም ትኾን አይትፈልጥና ብዙሕ ዘጨንቀና ብዛዕባ ጽባሕ ካብ ስራሕ እንተወጻኸ እዚ ገንዘብ ደለኒ እንተ ተወድኸ ጽባሕ ከም صباح ناي بعل الله وقداي سزي أي نتشنّ جنا نتأنكر تزبلونا نجارات نحكي نجبره قبول.
There is a difference between being cautious and being anxious. We are all supposed to be extremely cautious during a time like this to prevent the spread and things like that. And we're supposed to be following the rules and the guidelines that are set in place by professionals to help keep us safe. But there's a fine line where being a little too cautious can almost make us anxious and paranoid. So we need to be really careful and watch ourselves to make sure that our precautions and the things that we're doing on a day-to-day basis are not leading us into grounds where we become faithless and paranoid and hopeless and too anxious and things like that. If we want to worry, we can worry about a whole lot of things. Our parents can worry about a whole lot of things. We can worry about our school, our education. I was supposed to graduate this semester. I can worry about that and jobs and all the things that I had planned. And our parents can worry about their jobs and how they're going to provide for us and money and, you know, all of these different things. But the Bible tells us not to be anxious about tomorrow. Tomorrow has its own set of unique struggles and things that we need to overcome. So there's no point in stressing over the future when we don't even know what's happening right now.
إتا كالأيتي كانت حلال فازلونا دما قدام تختلون فلطو زلونا نجر الله نالبات بقلتها ولا شو تصنحه قدامي كهون زلو ركبنا مس እግዚአብሔር አምላክ ድሕሪኡ ቀጽሉ ዘሎ ምስ በዓልቲ ቤትና ዘሎና ርክብ ድሕሪኡ ኣስዒቡ ምስ ደቅና ዘሎና ርክብ ከመይ ከም ዘሎ ነዚ ንዕርየሉ ግዜ ክኾነና ከመይ ጽቡቕ እዩ ስለዚህ መጀመርያ ሕጂ ወሪዱሎ ችግር መጽኢሉ ኣብ ከምዛ ዓይነት ችግር ካንሕና እትድበለጸ ካብኡ ኸነውጽእ ክንክእል ከመይ ከቢድዩ መከራና ወረደካ ኣብ ገዛኻ ኸኣ ንሕር ምስ ማዕሲኢንካ ኣብ ገዛ ኾፍ በሊሎምኻ ኣብ ገዛኻ ክትረዳዳእ ዘይትኽእል ተኾይንካ ከመይ ከቢድዩ በአንጻሩ ከመይ ጌርና ደስ ክብለና ይኽእል ከመይ ጌርና ዝያዳ ፍቅርና ንዕብዮ ከመይ ጌርና ንጻወት በሐንሳብ ኢልና ምስ ደቅና ንጻወተሉ ምስ ደቅና ንስሕቀሉ ምስ በዓልቲ ቤትና ጽቡቕ ግዜ ንሕልፈሉ ክእረም ዘሎ ክዕረ ዘሎ ነገራት ንዛራረበሉ ዝያዳ ዝድማ ምስ እግዚአብሔር አምላኽና ዝያዳ ንጠብቀሉ ግዜ ክኾነልና ንቃልሰሉና
where it's very easy for us to get our priorities all mixed up and we devote our time sometimes to the wrong things. As unfortunate as this is a perfect opportunity for us to sort of realign ourselves and reprioritize everything in our lives. First and foremost, this is a great time to get closer to God. We have all the time in the world now, so we can spare a few minutes here and there and just do what we need to do to strengthen our relationship with the Father. Secondly, we can really use this time to strengthen the relationship and the bonds that we have within the household. So since everyone is at home, probably a lot more than they typically would be, it gives us a lot more time to interact with each other. We can also use this time to strengthen the bonds within the household. I don't know about y'all, but I am at home a lot more than I probably have been in the last few years because of this whole thing. Which means that I'm interacting with my parents more, I'm interacting with my siblings more. I have more time to myself too as well. So we can definitely capitalize on all of this time. We can spend a lot more time together, whether that's just talking, sharing stories, watching a movie, having a family Bible study, whatever the case may be. We can really just use this time to strengthen each bond that we have within our family.
እታ ሳልሰይቲ እምበር ክንብላ ንደሊ ድማ ኣብዚ ግዜ እዚ ዝያዳ ንተሓጋገዘሉ ግዜ ክኸውን ይድሊ ማለት ዕዮ ገዛ ድዩ ክንተሓጋገዘሉ ንኽእል ምስ ደቅና ድዩ ዝያዳ ክንተሓጋገዘሉ ንኽእል ደቅና እውን ክሕግዙና ዝኽእሉ ንዓና ጥራይ ዘይኮነ ንኻልኦት ሰባት ናብ ካብቲ ቤተሰብ ወጻኢ ክትሕግዞም ትኽእል ብዙሓት ሰባት ክትርኢ ምናልባት ደው ኢልካ ከመይ ኣለኻ ምባል ክኸውን ይኽእል ሓገዝ ኣጆኻ እዚ ክሓልፍ እዩ ምባል ክኸውን ይኽእል ሓገዝ ንሰብ ተስፋ ኣሎ ክትብሎ እዚ ባዕሉ ዓብ ሓገዝ እዩ ብገንዘብና ዓቕምና ብዝፈቐዶ ንኻልኦት ክንሕግዝ እዙን ሓገዝ እዩ ሞ እዚኣታ ሳልሰይቲ ነጥብ እያ
Our third point is that we can use this time to help others. It's very easy to become self-absorbed and just concerned with what's going on in your little circle. But we want to challenge ourselves and challenge y'all to sort of look beyond ourselves and look out into other people. Whether that's just helping around the house and getting a few things done, helping our parents with something that they might need, or just letting them help us even. whether that's making a phone call to a friend that you haven't spoken to in so long and just checking up on them, whether that's just encouraging somebody, whatever the case may be. If you have a few dollars that you can donate, whatever, everything that might feel small goes a very, very long way, especially in a time like this.
كي تردأنا زي سوشيال ميديا بزح ساعات نديو زبال عنا بحلف بس جزيزي ولا توم دكنا اليوم ولا نحنا أبو أتيخا تصوتا ختصاوت أبو أتيخا قلا تريد دتقف دلوك ساعات بزح كي كون كنت انك ننعد حدنا نتحقاقزو ننعدنا نعلل اللو جزي كون لناكم كمي تصبو مخونا.
We should also be mindful of things like social media or technology that can steal us of a lot of this time that we've been given. That goes for both parties, to be honest. That goes for us, and then that also goes for our parents as well. So let's just make sure we're a lot more mindful about how we're spending our time and where exactly it's going.
بحكي إذا زي كحلفيو إذا شجر زي كحلفيو كحلف كلوجنا قال لو تخمسي عالمنا كم تقدم دنبروك خونا يكلن ناتن بعالم ملو درجة عندي قال نجارات لو تثات عبيت نجارات كمتيو أبزق زي جن دري أدر له بزح حساب يتصل له نحكي ولا أب مجدد يختص له ولا بوليس يوم كتصلي تريهم تتحيزو سبي يتصل له إذا شجر زمس حلفة خا نجزابير تميسنا ندل يده كده أنكن أتو دسيبلن من هذا ولا قال كده أنت أتو كود حر كم زين تجات أميل كان دي حتى أتو كده أنت أتو إزون ندعر حليفو جزابير أنا زيادة خذليك كاي زيادة نعها قربك كاي كم تقدم تسألي النور كم تقدم نعها خذليك هذا النور كم خذليه كم خذليك كاي خنبلو نعنا ترى يدي كونس نقوله علم ملو كم زخون كم يتبو خون قبل.
Only God knows how long Corona is going to last and continue to affect us. But one thing that we do know and have faith in is that it will pass. No matter how long that takes, it will. The world we live in will never be the same. Everything that we've known and I think the way we lived our day-to-day lives will completely be transformed because of the results and the consequences of a disastrous pandemic like this. All over the world and all across the news, we see a bunch of people gathering together and praying. And it's very common that in times like these, everybody wants to cling and find God and cry out and pray out to him because we honestly don't know where else to look. But is this relationship and is this this lifestyle and these habits that we're building with our relationship with the Lord going to continue after this passes? Or once this passes, are we going to just have our priorities all shuffled again and just get back into the same old things? We're challenging ourselves and are challenging you to enter a commitment and a vow with God and to vow that you will never be the same with your relationship with him after this whole thing is said and done.
እግዚአብሔር ከም አቦ ጌርና ንሕርቆ ጽርና حساب يومو نعايك دليل ختمسنسي ገንዘብ كدليل خلخ ጥራይቶ ኮይኑ ወይ ማኪናኺ ቤንዚን ስለዘ ወይ ገለ ነገር ጥቅሚ ደሊኺ ንዓይ ደሊኺ ዲኹንኩሲ ኩሉ ሰዕ ገለ ነገር ክህሉ ሆሎ ናባይ ትመጺ ንሕር ገለ ጽቡቕ ኣሎኪ ግን ደሎኪ ንሕሊስኪ ግን ካባይ ዘይት መጽ ትኾንኪ ከመይ ሕማቕ እግዚአብሔር እውን ከምኡ ዓይነት ርክብ ክህልወና ኣይኮነን ዘሊ ኣብ ኢዱ ዘሎ ዘይኮነ ክንደልሲ ንእግዚአብሔር ባዕሉ ክንደልዮ ግን ኣብ ግዜ ሓጎስ ድዩ ኣብ ግዜ ሓዘን ጥዕሙና ድዩ ከፊኡና ኩሉ ሰዕ ንእግዚአብሔር ንባዕሉ ከምዚ ወላዲ ምስ ውሉዱ ድኾኖ ርክብ ካብኡን ብዝበለጸ ንእግዚአብሔር ክንደልዮ ከም ዝግባእ ንዓት ምልከት ሓንቲ መዝሙር ኣላትኒ ምክንያቱ ክንጥንቀቕ ስለ ዝግባእና ኣብ ግዜ ሓጎስናውን ንእግዚአብሔር ክንደልዮ ትብል መዝሙር ክዝምር
Since we consider God our Father, how backwards would it be if we only went to him when we needed something from him? Like if I only went and talked to my dad because I needed money or something was wrong with my car or whatever the case may be, like that's not a genuine relationship and that's not how it should be between a father and their child. Similarly, our relationship with God can't be like that either. We shouldn't only run to him when we need something, but we should be fast to run to him when something good happens and everything through all the ups and downs of life. He should be the first person we turn to and want to communicate with. So Dad is going to sing a song with the message that we should always be praising God, even in the good times.
مسحازو ومسببو نأملاخو سيدلي سبدلو أنس كلو تملقى ليكوا أبوان حاجو سيون دليكا تعلموت مسحازو ومسببو نأملاخو زيدلي سبدلو أنس كلو تملقى ليكوا أبوان حاجو سيون دليكا نتي تبني وين كابيت كازغبلو تعنا سلام برخي انجيرا سبلعو نختبني إليه أيكون كون سوعاكا نعاخا انبر دلي بركز نعاخا نختبني إليه أيكون كون سوعاكا نعاخا انبر دلي بركز نعاخا كبزي بلي صلماتيو نسخا زي بلونا برا كميل كاخي يحلف بحلف يا بكيسي مكرا تليني خا تليني علم زيت بو سلام كتبني تليني خاوي تليني تركم ناي نبرا تفلتني عقل مصابو أملاخي زي باليلبو أب حاجوس جيجن دتصوعو أب حاجوس جي زي رسعو نسو بروخي مرما مغصب علو إذا مسحالة فغال حاجوس مسكونة كنذكرو له نخون እግዚአብሔር أبتي معالتي حاجوسو أبقنا قليلا نعخا عديموم بويتا أبدرار تمرعا تحاقوسوم ملو كخون قبر كايو نخي حافرو دما ما يوم لوت كايو تحاقوسوم ملو كخون قبر كايو نخي حافرو دما ما يوم لوت كايو قبزي بلي سلماتيو نسخا زي بلونا برا كميل كاخي يحلف بحلف يابكي زي مكرا تدليني خا تدليني علم زيت بو سلام تبني تدليني خا تدليني ترقم ناي نبرا كتفلتني أبوان قوسنا من إسي كم the lives going يلو نعاخا فليتو صعبكا كندي تعادلو عدمة مستدفئة شتاموت مسمتة بجراش يكون كان شعوء تدلي عدمة مستدفئة شتاموت مسمتة بجراش يكون كان شعوء تدلي قبس بلي سلماتيو نسخا زي بلو نابرا كميل كاخي يحلف بحلف يابكي مكرا تدليني خا تدليني علم زيت بو سلام تبني تدليني خا تدليني ترقم ناي نبرا تفلتني تدليني خا تدليني تدليني خا تدليني بزي تحالفوا زلهم أحوات انتدأ لهم عباي ملأختي كنقرأكم زلي قويتها مسانا انتدأ أخوين نحق كله سلامنا نحر حلينا نعون نحر آميننا كله حل فيمو أجهم بأمنة راي برتعو كبلكم دسي بلني زنبرنا اغزابير أملاخ إيو اتزنبر اغزابير يمو نعوا في سمايكوا زحل أملاخ نعو إمانو أجهم كبلكم دسي بلني اغزابير أملاخ يبارخكم.
We again want to say that our hearts are going out to every single person, as we know each person across the globe is being affected by this. But we do want to again encourage you all that this is going to pass and that our God has conquered the world. So we should take heart to that and keep our peace.